Is there anything new to be said about the Monty Hall problem? Well, I'm gonna try. This game has been described hundreds of times, so I'll zip through it. You can skip forward if you want. You're on the game show Let's Make a Deal, where Monty Hall is the host. He shows you 3 doors. Behind one door is a car, and behind the other 2 are goats. You randomly pick a door, call it door A. Then Monty opens door C, revealing a goat. And now he gives you a choice. Stay with door A or switch to door B. Which choice gives you a better chance of winning the car? Most people intuitively say it doesn't matter, it's 50-50. But probability theory proves that switching to door B actually gives you a 2/3 chance of winning. Phew, okay. So that's all basically correct. But it's crucial that Monty be following a very specific rule. He can't just randomly choose which other door to open. He must open a door with a goat behind it. That's what effectively concentrates 2/3 probability of a car on the remaining door. But what if, instead, Monty flips a coin to decide which other door to open, and it just happens to be a goat? Then it turns out the average person's intuition is correct. You've now got a 50-50 shot whether you stay or switch. And when Monty himself was asked about this many years later, he said that, in fact, he didn't always open the door on the lousy prize. Sometimes he revealed the car and it was game over. The contestant lost. So what does this mean? That for a hypothetical classroom exercise, the right rule is to switch, but in the actual game as it's played on TV, it's 50-50? Not quite. Here's the thing. The conclusion that it doesn't matter depends on Monty being equally likely to choose either door. But if Monty is even just a tiny bit more likely to open the door with the goat behind it, then once again, you're better off switching. It won't give you a 2/3 chance of winning, as in the classic version, but it will give you a better shot than 50-50. The only time switching hurts your odds is when Monty is evil. He deliberately leans toward opening the door with the car and crushing your dreams. In that case, it turns out you should stick to your guns. So bottom line, if you think the host is diabolical, then you shouldn't switch. But in every other case, switching doesn't hurt your odds and might help. And that's the naked truth. The full Monty, if you will.